The tragic death of Regina Morove, of mixed PNG and Australian parentage. Welcome to PNG Patriot, where we uncover stories that leave a lasting impact. Today we're diving into a tragic case from Papua New Guinea that shocked the nation. On May 14, 2016, Felix Kang, 30, a prominent lawyer, was charged with the murder of his wife, Regina Morove, 25, in Port Moresby. A young couple with a newborn child, their story ended in tragedy. Join us as we explore the details of this heartbreaking event, their brief marriage, and its broader implications. If this story moves you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more true stories like this. In the bustling capital of Port Moresby, a shocking incident unfolded on the 14th of May, 2016. Felix Kang, a respected lawyer and a businessman from Maya Village, Pangaea, Southern Highlands Province, allegedly shot his wife, Regina Morove, in the back of the head, leading to her death. According to a Supreme Court document, this tragedy occurred at their home in Gardens Hills. Drawing from reports by the Post-Courier, Loop PNG, The National, and court records, let's piece together what happened and who this couple was. Felix Kang was a well-known figure in PNG's legal community from the Highlands region, steeped in tribal traditions. As a prominent lawyer, he may have worked on significant cases or with a top firm in Port Moresby for a decade or so. Little is known about his childhood or education, but his status suggests he studied at a prestigious institution, the University of Papua New Guinea. Regina Morove, his wife, remains a mystery in public records. A Post-Courier report from 2022 suggested she was Australian, but earlier 2016 sources don't confirm this, leaving her background unclear. Other sources confirm she has mixed parentage of PNG and Australia and has dual citizenship. Felix and Regina were married, and according to Loop PNG, they had a 7-month-old baby at the time of the incident, born around October 2015. This suggests they were married for at least 1 year and 3 to 5 months, likely since early 2015 or before, as their child was conceived around January 2015. The national newspaper notes Felix had 3 children from a previous marriage, making Regina his second wife. How they met or what their marriage was like remains undocumented, but their short time together, with a newborn, paints a picture of a young family facing complex pressures. On 14th May 2016, everything changed. According to the Supreme Court case file, Felix Kang versus the State, 2016, SC 1562, Felix allegedly shot Regina at their Gardens Hills home in the presence of others, using a firearm. A Post-Courier article from 2022 suggested the shooting occurred in a hotel room due to suspected infidelity, but the legal record confirms Garden Hills, indicating a possible reporting error. Loop PNG reported that Felix surrendered to police on 30th May 2016, initially charged with involuntary manslaughter. A YouTube report from the 9th of June 2016 confirms the charge was upgraded to murder, reflecting the gravity of the act. The legal fallout was immediate. NCD Police Commander Sylvester Kalaut, quoted in Loop PNG, stated that Felix was detained at Waigani Police Station and denied bail, forcing his lawyers to apply to the National Court. YouTube reports from 3rd June and 14th July 2016 detail Felix's bail hearings and his request to withdraw a related charge of escaping custody. The Post-Courier suggested infidelity as the motive, a deeply sensitive issue in PNG's Highlands culture, where honor and family loyalty are paramount. Yet without court testimony, the exact cause for this tragedy remains unclear. This case goes beyond Felix and Regina. It reflects a broader crisis in Papua New Guinea. A 2013 World Health Organization study found that over 60% of women in PNG face physical or sexual violence, often by intimate partners. The Highlands, Felix's likely home region, has some of the highest rates due to cultural norms around gender and family disputes. Even for a lawyer like Felix, societal pressures can amplify personal conflicts. The fact that this couple, married for just over a year with a newborn, reached such a tragic end underscores the need for better government family and violence support systems. The legal process continued to unfold. The Supreme Court document details Felix's second bail application after national court rejections, but the case's final outcome, whether conviction or acquittal, remains unclear in public records. The brevity of Felix and Regina's marriage, likely 1 year and 3 to 5 months, adds to the tragedy, leaving their young child without a mother and a family in turmoil. This case raises haunting questions. Could intervention have saved Regina? What pressures drove this outcome? The story of Felix Kang and Regina Morove is a stark reminder of how quickly love can turn to tragedy. Married for just over a year, their lives were forever altered on the 14th of May, 2016. As PNG grapples with domestic violence, tribal clashes, alcohol and drug-related violences, this kind of case calls for full justice, reflection, and change of human attitudes. We may never know the full story of their marriage or what led to that fatal moment, but Regina's loss urges us to advocate for stronger protections against violence. If this story touched you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Let us know in the comments below. How can communities and the national government address domestic violence? For more true crime stories like this, check out our playlist here. Until next time, stay informed.